What's going on YouTube? Crypto Matrix here, coming at you another cryptocurrency streamer. For those of you who don't know me, I'm a professional leverage trader and instructor, and I make my living trading cryptocurrency with some serious efficiency. If you want to learn how to trade better, head right over to the student program, get signed up. Links are below and above. And for those of you who want the little additive edge in the trading field, I change my eyes which way I'm leaning in the market that day, and you guys can get some excellent gains by following me on my socials. I literally change my eye color which way I'm leaning that day. And if you guys want to know more about my life, follow me on Instagram, guys. Just some amazing times. I'm going to basically every convention there is out there involving crypto. And today I wanted to focus on a few different coins, including Bitcoin and Electroneum, some very popular projects on my channel, and for some very obvious reasons why. Cryptocurrency is the future of currency, guys. If you're not involved in it yet, get started. And if you haven't subscribed yet, definitely smash that subscribe button, smash that like button, and I'm going to dive right into the price action. Alright guys, let's start out right here with Bitcoin, just some very textbook stuff. Now for instance, we had this descending broadening wedge which ended up playing out very nicely with a breakout, and then we had an inverse head and shoulders which played out perfectly, guys. I mean, it couldn't have been any more perfect. I actually rode this up and down, guys, for some amazing gains. We're talking serious money, thousands and thousands here. Oh man, life-changing time, guys. Let me know in the comments if you actually caught these trades. They were very textbook indication plays for days. Let's just talk about a few of them right here. Now my chart's a little screwed up from teaching all day. I had like 9 students and still more later tonight, guys, so just bear with me here a little bit. Let's just talk the 7 and the 20 crossing right here, right out of the shoulder, right out of the break of resistance, guys. A very textbook. And if you measure, okay, from point of resistance to the head, you get a very nice target projection. And look at that, guys. It couldn't be any more perfect. And notice, guys, check this. It lines up with a polar, or not a polar, a static resistance. Okay, guys? And we want to make those orange. Remember, polar resistances will be green, polar supports will be red, and static supports and resistances will be orange. Okay, play those properly. Now, for instance, the target projection on this one was just too good. It was just perfect, an easy trade. And then we had the nice indication play crossing right back down, guys, and for a nice solid move right. And we're actually running into that support right now. So very exciting times, guys. Let's see what plays out here. We could be getting a movement to the side or maybe a flag forming out. Let's see how this plays out over the next few hours so we can make our move and watch for pattern development. Okay, guys, and if you're unfamiliar with patterns, that's why you're joining my program, guys. Learn to trade like a professional. There's so many patterns out there, and then when you combine them with indication plays, it just becomes readily apparent what you should be doing in the price action. Easy money all day long. Now let's go to the bigger time frames really quick and check out just what's going on in general here. Now, for instance, guys, remember, super cycle. All right, it's going to be longer. It's going to take time. The longer it takes to get to that top, the higher the parabolic run-up will be. So what I'm seeing right here is we worked up, we worked over, and are we going to work over again, guys? Are we going to work over again and get a new high? Or is there's talks of a bear season, going into some low? Guys, I don't think so. But we could kind of move this way, okay? And that's fine. The longer that takes, the higher the run-up will be. I can't express that enough, guys. Like, I am in complete zen, understanding that the longer this takes, the higher that top will be. We all know Plan B. He's predicted 288,000 a long time ago. Okay, guys, we're talking way over $200,000 when this parabolic run-up starts. That is not something that you guys can afford to miss, that I can even afford to miss. I don't care how much money you have. You can't afford to miss this. It's a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. Well, maybe not once. You'll probably have 4 more opportunities in your lifetime, assuming you live 100 years. Okay, guys, you got a lot of time here to make some really good cash, but you actually have to capitalize on it. So that's what I think is going to be going on with Bitcoin, guys. Just some amazing times. Do not miss this currency development. All right, let's talk about Electroneum. Okay, guys. Now, I had an alert go off today. That's what this orange line is. It's also a static support. Now is optimal buy time for sure, guys. And for instance, those of you got in recently, remember, like I said, lock in those profits. For instance, we talked about the buy right here with the smile. Guys, you played that to resistance, I hope. Okay, that's what the point of pattern resistance is for. If we don't get the breakout, get out of that trade. Lock in your gains so that way you can get right back in on your next one. Okay, now we're still kind of playing this pattern, to be honest with you. Okay, guys, Just extend it out. Extend it out. And this is still what we're working with, guys. So we ran into a little support here. Let's see if we kind of break it or hold it. We break it, get ready for a new move to happen at the bottom of this, or play it up to resistance, okay, quite simply. And if it breaks out, use wedge theory, okay, measured from the back of the, oops, sorry about that, grabbed the wrong thing. There we go. Say like it breaks out here. We're going to talk about a tiny move here. But guys, notice we have a bigger pattern here to work on breaking out of, and when we do that, we can start to think about more continuation movements, okay? For instance, let's go up to the bigger time frames for a second, the daily, and you can see that we are still below trend a little bit, and reverse pressure is still quite a bit of ways away, okay? We have to break reverse pressure eventually. We're going to break it no matter what, June. Worst case scenario, okay? Unless we just continuously plummet. I don't think that's going to happen, guys. That's not possible. All right, that means the coin will die off. That's not going to happen. If it was easy to hold coins, all right, to hodl coins, then everybody would do it. That's why 1% of us actually kill it and the rest of us do not. Okay, guys? You have to understand the price action to make good gains. Reverse pressure will be tested. Trend will be upheld eventually. Okay, it's just a lot of weak hands. Must be weeded out. And guys, that's all the time I have for today. Just incredible times in cryptocurrency with so many people in my program in good profit and so many potentials looking to discover freedom. I have never been in such a good place of peace with so much more headed my way, guys. I am just getting started. I was joking with some friends last night and they were saying, wow, you've only been at this, a year. And yeah, it's only been that long, guys. We are just getting started. I hope to tag zeros on every few years. I mean, it's like that. And my gosh, guys, if you're not achieving freedom, this is a program that can help you do it. The Crypto Matrix student program is something that teaches you just far beyond the technicals, guys. And even just clickable links will yield you guys some amazing profits. Guys, just remember, if you don't come from a rich family must come from you. I am Crypto Matrix. I'll catch you guys later.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.